Hello friends, welcome to my channel Simplify Concepts and I am Dr. Shuchi. In this video, we will be learning about these 10 Excel functions. So first, we'll be learning how to insert background. So let's take this fresh sheet. Now to insert background, we'll go to the page layout tab and click on background. If you have particular picture saved on your computer, you can select it from here from a file and you can click browse here. Or if you want to insert any image from internet, then probably you can online pictures, you can search it out here. So let me click this balloons here and we have varied pictures here. So we'll select one of them and then insert. See how interesting the background has become now. The same picture is being repeated n number of times when you insert a particular background. And if you want to remove this background, you can just go onto this delete background and click it. So this is how we can add or delete the background. Now coming back to our other functions. Now here you can see that we have a data table. And before proceeding this, I think let's just increase the visibility. So let us go to the view tab. We have zoom, just click onto this zoom and right now it is 100% and you can enter your own zoom percentage here. So I want it to be zoomed at 150%. Okay, see. So now the visibility has improved. Here we have a data table related to 6 students, the marks obtained in 3 subjects and these students belongs to which team. That team is also specified whether they belong to A team or B team. This is also specified here. Now the heading of this table is marks obtained. Now this is written in the first cell, that is A1. Now I want this marks obtained to come in the top center of this table. So what we'll do, we'll just bring the cursor on this first cell, press shift and right arrow key and select these 5 cells and then go to the home tab and just click on merge and center. See, it is merged. All these 5 cells are merged and marks obtained are written in the center. Now let us fill some color from here. You can see here is the fill color option. You can insert any color. Let's insert orange color here. So we have this color now. Now let's apply this conditional formatting. For conditional formatting, I will be selecting here these marks obtained in these 3 subjects. And this is one of my personal favorites, conditional formatting. So we'll just go to conditional formatting, go to color scales, and we can apply any color scale, single color or maybe double color or maybe triple color. So let us just select triple color scale here like this. So we can use this conditional formatting to make the data tables more attractive. Now next we'll talk about the freezing of these panes. Marks obtained. Freezing of panes means that if I want the first row or the first column to be fixed, and even if I scroll up and down, it should be present there only like it is in this case. Your marks obtained, it is being freezed here. So how do you do it? So we just select it and then we'll go to the view tab and then we have here freeze panes. We'll just click it. So right now I have already freezed it. So I'll just click unfreeze panes. That means now nothing is being freezed. If I scroll down, it will go up. And again, if I select it and I want to freeze it, I'll just click on freeze panes, freeze the top row. I can click this. So by doing this, my top row will be freezed. See, it is visible even if I scroll up and down, right? This is how we use the freeze panes option. Then we have the sorting. Now sorting can be done. Sorting means that arranging the data in ascending order or in descending order or in alphabetical order also you can sort it. So right now, since we have the numerical data, we are going to select it. Then we'll go to the home tab. In the right corner, we have this option sort and filter. We'll just click it and whether you want to sort it from smallest to largest or from largest to smallest. So let's do it smallest to largest. and sort. So that means all the values are being sorted according to subject number 1 marks. The marks in subject number 1, you can see 20, 25, 50, 60, 70, 80. So they are being arranged in the increasing order. So this is what sort is. Now let's add some border to this data. So let us select this one, say the whole table here. And now we can put border. You can come here in the font, all borders. You have different border options here. Thick outside border we can take. So we've selected thick outside border. See, we have this thick outside border being displayed here. So this is how you can add borders in your table. Now suppose if you want to add some kind of shape to this Excel sheet and then write something in that shape in order to make the presentation attractive. So we can just go to Insert tab. In that we have shapes. Click on the drop down. We have n number of shapes. You can select any shape. Say I select the oval shape here. Then left click and hold. And you can drag it like this. So now we have this figure, and if you want to add text to this figure, we'll just right click and we have the option edit text. You just click it, edit text, and now you can add anything to it. Like this. We can write anything inside it. So this is how you can add any shape here in the Excel. So right now, let me just clear it out. Okay. Now let's learn to apply a different kind of a function which is known as filter, and it's a very, very important and useful function. Filtering, basically it will help you in selecting particular items which you want. Say, let us just apply and then I'll tell you how do you apply it. Okay, so I've selected these 5 cells and I want to apply filter function. So sort and filter, we'll just click it and filter. So we have this small drop down on every cell, and now I can just click on this, and now if I want only those students who are there in team A, so I can just click A and OK. That means all those students who are in team A, their marks will be displayed here. And if you want to select only team B, so you can uncheck this A box and then you can check this B and then OK. So we have the students now who are there in B team. So this is how this function can be used. Now if you want to remove this filter, again you can select these 5 and then you can go to sort and filter and then click filter. So your filter will be removed. So it's a very important function which can be used in Excel. Now lastly, we'll be learning how to adjust the row height. So just click it, then right click, go to row height. Right now the row height is 14.5. If you want to increase it or you want to decrease it, you can specify. Say I want to make it 8. Okay. As you can see that the row height has been decreased to 8. So you can adjust the row height as you wish. So I hope these functions are useful for you. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much.